So if the odds are indeed stacked against the manufacturing sector right now, how are they coping? Andrew Robertson has been visiting Australia's industrial heartland to find out.
This is Ingleburn in Sydney's southwest. It's home to many factories feeling the heat from China and the high Australian dollar. But in true Aussie tradition, they're fighting back as hard as they can.
One of those is PLASBOX Manufacturing. It's been making packaging products for 26 years, and Director Victor Sherry says he's had to adapt to the much tougher trading environment.
Our major strategy is raw material prices and improving our own manufacturing practices, whether it's including new robots or changing the way we do things.
On the other side of Sydney, in the beachside suburb of Brookvale, Marden Manufacturing is also fighting back by lifting its game.
My strategy is to offer quality. You must offer quality and also customer service, and look after my domestic customers here quickly and with the best possible product.
Although the manufacturing environment is tough, James Scott believes Australian firms have a card up their sleeve that cheap imported goods can't match.
Well, I think people still want to buy Australian. They want to try and buy Australia and do the right thing, but also I think Australian products generally are pretty good.
When you think of manufacturing on a global scale, no country does it better than Germany, which is home to many of the world's top high-end manufacturing brands. Albert Goller is the Australian head of one of those brands, Siemens, and he has some very forthright views on Australian manufacturing.
Overall, I would say the biggest challenge I see is that we in decline in terms of productivity. The manufacturing area, I think 1.8% over the last years, and that's a concern.
But Mr Goller sees many opportunities for Australian manufacturers to lead the world in the development of new industries, citing solar power as an example.
We have the natural resources because we have the sun, and we have, of course, we have the land. Though we, on a square of 30 kilometers by 30 kilometers solar, we can produce all of the energy that Australia needs on an annual basis.
2 years ago, Dutch electrical goods maker Philips purchased Sydney-based Dynalite to become the global centre of development and manufacture of its high-end lighting products.
When acquiring this company, we recognised two clear strengths for the sites. One is the R&D capacity of making top-notch products, which is very important for us to differentiate and innovate towards the market. And the other reason is that this manufacturing facility allows us to run small batches with high complexity and high differentiation, which is demanded from our customers.
And Philips sees a bright manufacturing future for Dynalite.
We're planning this year a growth for 25%, and in the next 3 to 5 years we clearly want to triple and even grow the business 5 times as big as it is right now.
But while high-end manufacturers like Philips and Siemens, which can really add value and differentiate themselves from China, are optimistic, at the bottom end it's very different. Back in Ingleburn at PLASBOX, Victor Sherry is pessimistic.
This product was manufactured and designed at this site. The downfall to it is that the Chinese copied it within 5-6 months, and they were selling it on the Australian market at 20% of their cost price.
A sign maybe of two-speed manufacturing in a two-speed economy.